Hey guys, so I've lied to you all. This is my dad's Nissan Skyline GTR, and it doesn't sound like this. I'm sorry, I just like making these look cool. But today we're going to be installing a full header back Tomei titanium exhaust system. So this car will no longer sound like this.
That sounds.
That's very.
That sounds pretty. Sounds stock. That's what it sounds like.
It
doesn't sound bad. It sounds actually clean in the sense that, hey, engine's running smooth and everything. It sounds clean.
And I'm gonna put the phone in here so that people can hear what I hear, because it just sounds like a vacuum cleaner from inside. Alright guys, so I figured since we are early, I gave some lead time to shoot the car, and we parked over on this nice forest area that really fits the GTR, at least in terms of the fact that it's wet. This would give you that Japan vibe right here to an extent. Got the entire stock system out with the original muffler tip, and then the whole Tomei's lined up here, and we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. And by we, I mean not me.
Hey, Dad. There's definitely sound, and that's the sound of it. Wow.
Don't worry, I want Dad to drive first. All right, guys, we are in the whip. We're gonna get our first reaction.
Right. All right, helmet behind you. Woohoo! We got some sound now. Oh my God! You can hear some sounds now, Kim. Woo! All right. Oh my God, Kim. I actually got sound. Oh my God.
Finally, after 5 years.
I like the low, the initial low. Can you hit it? Can you hit it? Can you hit it?
Give him a break and then go for it.
Gotta be careful. That looked like a cop right there.
Oh, now I had to hit this tunnel.
Oh my God! Woo! Whoa!
Sounds bad.
I like when it first starts out.
It's only $4 grand on that side because it's on that side. Yeah,
Stuck out too.
that's crazy.
It's definitely like a fire.
great. Y'all ready for this one too? Woo! That's all I needed. We'll pull in and then we'll head back. Yeah, your car is now Godzilla.
Wow, yeah, that sounds really good.
All right, guys, well, Godzilla makes some noise now, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you want to see Dad do more stuff, GoFundMe down below because we're broke. I'm kidding. Deuces.